Hello, good day. Today we are discussing the topic of advantage and disadvantages of IoT. Now, see, any technology available today are not reach to the 100% capacity. It always has a gap to go. So, we can say that Internet of Things has the significant technology in the world that can help other technologies to reach its accurate and complete 100% capacity as well. So let's take a look uh, the major advantage and disadvantage of the Internet of the Things. So here is the list of different advantages of IoT and disadvantages of IoT. So first we see the advantages of IoT. Internet of Things facilitates the several advantages of day-to-day life in the business sectors. Some of benefits are this given here. The first, efficient resource utilization. If we know the functionality and the way that how each device work, we definitely increase the efficient resource utilization as well as monitor the natural resources. So IoT is having the advantage of this. Another, minimize human efforts as the devices of IoT interact and communicate with each other and do not do the lot of work, do lot of tasks for us, then they minimize the human efforts because everything is to be going on automatically. Next is saving the time, save time, as it reduces the human intervention or human efforts, then it definitely save out the time. Time is primary factor which can save through the IoT platform. Next one is enhanced data collection. In the modern data collection suffers from its limitations and it's designed for passive use. IoT breaks it out of those spaces and places it exactly where human really want to go to analyze our world. It allows an accurate picture of everything. So it enhancing the data collection. Uh, Next one is improve security. If we have a system that all these things are interconnected, then we can make the system more secure and efficient. Next one, technology optimization. The same technology and data which improve the customer experience also improves the device use and add in more potent improvements of technology. So IoT unlocks a world of critical functional and field data. Next advantage is reduced waste. Reduced waste, the IoT makes the area of improvement clear. Current analytics gives us a very superficial insights, but IoT provides the real world information leading to more effective management of resources. So these are the advantages of the IoT. Now we discuss the disadvantages of IoT. As the Internet of Things facilitate to set the benefits or set off the benefits, it also creates the significant sets of challenges, or some of the IoT challenges are given here, just like the security, privacy, complexity, flexibility and compliance. Security, as the IoT systems are interconnected and communicated over the network, so the system offers the little control despite any security measure and it can be lead the various kind of network attacks. That's why security is one of the challenges. Another is privacy. Even without the active participation of the user, the IoT system provides substantial personal data in maximum details. So that's why it's a question of the privacy also. Another one is complexity. The designing, developing and maintaining and enabling a large technology IoT systems is quite complicated because of when the number of the things are to be attached with other, with the use of the different softwares, with the different connections and all the things are to be being complicated. The next one is the flexibility. In the flexibility, many are concerned about the flexibility of the IoT system to integrate easily with another. They worry about finding themselves with the several uh, you can say conflicting or the locked system. That's why. So flexibility is the another disadvantage because it concerns about the flexibility of the IoT systems of the integrated easily with each other, so that finding themselves with the several conflicting or locked systems, they have to be connected. So that another is compliance. IoT likes the other technology in the realm of the business must compile with the regulations. It complexity max. The issue of compliance seems incredibly challenging when many consider the standard software compliance a battle. That's why it's a, you can say, realm of the business, because the compliance, the regulations and complexity make the issue of the compliance. So that's why. So this is one of the disadvantages. Okay, so these are the different advantages and disadvantages. This list is not end up at here, it may be of many more, but some selective things are here. Thanks, all of you.